Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today it's our time to check in on my project pan. This is just a basic project pan that I started back before I joined the Fantastic Ladies. So this is no theme, it's just some things I wanted to use up. And so let's get started on this. Everything I had in my project was basically to use up or use as much as possible. First was my palette I wish to pan, and I'll show you where I'm at. Guys, I use this palette every time I do my eyes, and there is no pan. I just don't know how people do it. I don't know if you can tell from the side, it is going down, but I just keep using it. I just keep using it. I know I'm getting use out of this, whether I'm hitting the pan or not. I feel like I'm getting use out of this palette, so that's mainly what I was doing. I wasn't doing it to hit pan in every shade or to use it up. I just want to get some good use out of that palette, and that palette's getting some good use. And I think I'll do that every year. I'll just pick a palette that I really want to give some good use and use it all year. And then we see what happens and what doesn't happen. Okay. Alright. So that was that. Next is my No Problem Prime Essence. I didn't weigh it. I'm not going to weigh it. It's still at least half full. This is not going to get used up. I'm just going to use it as much as I can. But I use it almost every time I do my makeup. Almost. I've had some primers in my sample stash that I would use, and that's the only time I didn't use this. So I'll just keep plugging away at it. Just keep going. Next is this bronzer. Guys, I'm using it. And look, we still have the pattern on the top. I don't know how project panners do it. I mean, I've made friends now with several really good project panners, and how are they hitting pan? Maybe I just have too light a hand, but there we go. It's not worn down at all. No, it still doesn't smell. It's still performing great though. So I don't know, it's still performing great. Highlighter. Now I will go back into last month's video and see if I can take a screenshot, because I didn't take any pictures. But here's where I'm at now with this highlighter. I'm using this. I have found a use for it. I use it for the upper brow bone. I use it up there. Upper brow bone? The brow bone. Whatever. That's where I'm using it. And a little bit on my nose and a little bit on my cheeks. But I'm using it. It's going. Next, I have this J. Manuel pencil. Let me see. I have used it. Okay, I'm going to show you. I have used it. Get me out. Let's see if I can get. You can see it's just barely. Just a teeny tiny bit, but I'm going to mark it. Let me mark it with my pen. There we go. So you can see just a teeny, hopefully you can see, teeny tiny bit. And then last, one other eye pencil. This is Sephora. Let me show you where I'm at from last time to this time. Let me hide my face, make sure it's focused. See, I've used that. Now this one, I sharpened it, and the point, it's kind of got crumbly, and I can't sharpen it anymore. I can't get it down into the sharpener, so I'm calling this done. It's crumbling off. See that the end just popped off, and I can't sharpen it anymore. So we are done with that one. I actually used something up. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. Hey guys, I'm popping back in here because I forgot a product. I didn't have it written down. I don't know why, but I'm also working on my Too Faced powder foundation, and let me show you where I'm at on that. I've got a lot of progress on that one. Again, I'll take a screenshot from last month and show you. I'll add this to my list. I don't know how I missed it, but yeah, and my goal is to use this up. So now back to the video. So there we go. I have used, give it a check. I've used that up. So I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things in my project. So one is gone. I don't know if I'll be able to use this up or not. I'm not really keen on the color, but I'm gonna keep using it. And whatever I don't use at the end of this project, if I don't use all this up, I'm still gonna keep it and work on it. Same with this, but these two items, if they don't get used up at the end of this project, I am going to declutter them. One, this one is just too old, and it's a shame I didn't get as much use out of it, but I'm using it. I'm using it. And this is just not my color, but I am using this. So we'll see. So guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.